In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write user stories Asana 2025 step by step. We'll set up a simple, reliable workflow in Asana so you can capture clear user stories, move them through delivery, and keep your team aligned from idea to done. Start by opening Asana and creating a new project. Choose a blank project, name it User Stories, and select List View. List View makes it easy to scan titles, see key fields, and compare stories side by side. Next, create the core sections that reflect your workflow by clicking Add Section at the top. Add Backlog for incoming ideas, In Progress for active work, Review for validation, and Done for completed stories. These sections turn your project into a lightweight pipeline that's easy to manage. Inside the backlog, click Add Task to write your first story. Use the standard format. As a type of user, I want goal or action, so that benefit. For example, as a traveler, I want to save my favorite flights so that I can compare them later. Or, as an admin, I want to export data so that I can analyze performance. Keep titles concise and focused on the user's value. Open the task to add details. In the description, add acceptance criteria so everyone knows what success looks like. For the flight example, you might include that the user can click Save Flight. Saved flights appear in the favorites list, and the user can remove items anytime. Then break down the work into subtasks like design UI, set up database, create API endpoint, front-end integration, and testing. Assign the task to the right person and add a due date to set expectations and keep momentum. If you want more structure, add custom fields from Customize, then add field. Fields like priority, story points, epic name, and status help with planning and reporting. Consistent labels and scales make group prioritization faster. As work starts, drag stories across sections from backlog to in progress, then to review and done. This visual movement keeps status obvious without extra meetings. Switch to board view from the sidebar if you prefer a Kanban-style layout. Your stories become cards you can drag across columns, which is perfect for sprint-style tracking. Use comments to collaborate. Teammates can ask questions, upload designs or screenshots, and add clarifications. Keeping the conversation in the task prevents information from getting lost. With the 2025 update, Asana rules can automate busy work. From Customize, choose Rules, then Add Rule. To automatically assign tasks when they move to in progress, auto set due dates when priority is high, or auto move items to review when all subtasks are completed. Before you mark a story as done, confirm it follows the template, the acceptance criteria are clear, all subtasks are complete, and a stakeholder has reviewed the output. Follow this flow, iterate as you learn, and your user stories will stay clear, trackable, and shippable.